if you're needing to buy a new HVAC system, it's very stressful. You know, a couple things you got to worry about or think about is, you know, who's going to put the system in? Are they knowledgeable on the equipment they're installing? Is it good quality equipment? Are they going to show up on time? Are they going to get it done, you know, on the same day? Are they going to tear my house up? You know, those are all good, realistic questions to be concerned with. So I put this video together. It's got a couple of our guarantees. I hope you find them useful. And if you need anything, let us know. Hit that subscribe button. Like this video. We appreciate it. See you at the end. Later. Hey, it's Anthony over Wright Mechanical. And if you're in the market for a new HVAC system, you probably already know that it's a very stressful thing to do. You probably got a lot of different contractors coming in and out of the house. So we've got a couple guarantees that's going to help protect you when you make this investment. So our number one guarantee is our lowest price guarantee. We're going to guarantee that when you buy a system from us, it's going to be the lowest price possible to have that system installed. Another guarantee that we've got is our test ride policy. So for 1 year, when you buy a system from us, you're going to be able to use that system in heating and cooling for 1 year. And if you don't like the way that it works, we're going to give you your money back 100%. All right, so that's just 2 of our warranties. If you have any more questions, you'd like to schedule an appointment, send me a message, write in the comments, or give us a call. Whatever is easier for you. Y'all have a good day. Later. Boop.